So the backstory is when I was at AWS, I realized very quickly that the biggest challenge of selling SageMaker into enterprises was that there was no common integration point. Each customer of mine had basically built in their own internal libraries, and then those libraries connected with a service like AWS or Kubeflow pipelines from open source. And it was basically one big mess. It was clear to me that we need to build an industry forum where for MLOps specifically, so nothing to do with the models themselves, but really on this productionization process, how can we either converge some of the schemas or incubate certain efforts so that these different tools for MLOps can come together. So within SGT, it's a nonprofit organization organized here in the United States. So we have a 501c3 status. We really break down our work into three categories. First, it's education. So we partner, collaborate with various influencers in the field, and we really make sure that there's good content. We share it, and then we also give a lot of advice and feedback. Second, we focus on having discussions of standardization efforts. And basically, when we say standardization, it's the common link between different parts of the MLOps lifecycle. So from model serving to your feature serving, or from your training systems and taking the artifacts to your model serving systems. And then the last component, and this is where I think we've started investing even more time around, is how do we incubate open source projects that can really tie together MLOps. And we think of this as a next generation of orchestration. So historically, orchestration has been around workflow management, but now we see it as the jobs themselves and how can they get composed together from different tools, but all in a coherent experience for the data scientists and ML engineers.